Hello everyone, welcome to the 100-Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and welcome to Day 14 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 131. Número 131. Estudiar. Es-too-dee-ahr. Estudiar. To study. I studied the chemistry lesson carefully. Estudié la lección de química con detenimiento. Number 132. Número 132. Etapa. eh-tah-pah. Etapa. Stage or phase. I've reached the phase in my life where I want to have children. He llegado a la etapa de mi vida donde quiero tener hijos. Number 133. Número 133. Evitar. E-vee-tar. Evitar. To avoid. I want to avoid that risk. Quiero evitar ese riesgo. Number 134. Número 134. Expresión. Ex-pres-SYOHN. Expresión. Expression. I don't believe I'm familiar with that expression. No creo que yo estoy familiarizado con esa expresión. Number 135. Número 135. Falda. Fahl-dah. Falda. Skirt. I used to wear that skirt when I went out with your father. Usaba esa falda cuando salía con tu padre. Number 136. Número 136. Familia. Fa-mi-li-a. Familia. Family. We need to stick together as a family on this. Tenemos que mantenernos unidos como familia. Number 137. Número 137. Famoso. Famosa. Fa-mo-so. Famoso. Famous. I'll give you my famous guided tour. Te daré mi visita guiada famoso. Number 138. Número 138. Favorito. Favorita. Favorito. Favorito. Favorite. I understand that this is your favorite sport. Entiendo que este es su deporte favorito. Number 139. Número 139. Fecha. 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 Date or appointment. I've already got an appointment for my surgery. Ya tengo fecha para la cirugía. Number 140. Número 140. Feo. Fea. Feo. Feo. Ugly or foul. I'm not going to eat that cheese. It has a foul smell. No voy a comer ese queso. Tiene un olor feo. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.